Hello, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's time for surfing. I'm about to go ride some sweet waves. You coming? Ooh, boy, that's tempting because you're right. It is. There's always time for surfing, but fortunately, I was gonna say it's time for math. Oh, all right. Well, I guess I can hang around for math, and then maybe we go surfing afterwards. Maybe, my friend. Maybe, my friend Ganga. All right, I'm gonna go sit with the boys and girls. All right, it's time for math, boys and girls. Let's get our thinking caps on. Boom. Now we're ready. All right, we are going to do a little bit of review, just addition and subtraction. Now, we're not using our book today because we finished it. Finished it last week. Today, we're just going to use a piece of paper and or a whiteboard, and we're just going to do a couple problems. Now, here's what we're going to do with this. What you're going to do, actually. You are going to choose whatever is the best strategy for you. Are you going to count on today? Are you going to count back? Are you going to use cubes? Are you going to use a number line? Are you going to draw a picture? I don't know. It's up to you, but I can't wait to see what you do to solve some of these problems. So, I have oops, look at that. I have a pen that doesn't work, is what I have. So I'll toss that right over there, and I'll get this orange one, and we're going to do 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. What is the first step? What do you do first for 13 minus 5? We'll do this one. Why don't we do this one together? We'll do this one together. So, I could do a picture. 13 is kind of a lot of dots right now, though, so maybe I'll pass on that one. Number line, I could count on by starting at 5 and jumping till I get to 13, or I could count back by starting at 13 and going to 5. I could also use cubes. I could grab 13 cubes and take 5 away. You know what? That's what we're going to go with for this one. 13 minus 5. Ready? 10 cubes. Just be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to add a couple on. Ready? 11, 12, 13. There's 13 cubes. And what do we do with those 13 cubes? We are taking away 5 of them. 13 minus 5. So let's take away 5. 3, 4, 5. Here is what we have left. Right here in my hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Not sure, not completely convinced. Okay, well, what can we do about that? 13 minus 5, we can take our number line. Now, we can go either way. We can count on or we can count back. I'll count back. I'm going to start at 13. I'm going to count back 5. So we're taking away 5, only counting when we land a jump, remember? That's how we use our number line. Only after you've landed, you've completed your jump, then you count. So we start here at 13, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and well, what do you know? We landed on 8. Check back to our whiteboard. Boom! We have 8. There it is. 13 minus 5 equals 8. So those are the two strategies that we decided to use, and they gave us the same answer. So that tells me that we did something right. That we did something right that time. All right. So that's our first problem. 13 minus 5. I have some other problems for you. These ones I want you to work on your own today. All right? 12. You know what? I'm going to put them like this. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7, what do you get there? How about this? 19 minus 6. How about 11 minus 7? How about 6 plus 7? So we have 12 plus 7, 19 minus 6, 11 minus 7, 6 plus 7. couple more, okay? Just a couple more. We're gonna do, okay. 9 plus 4. And you're gonna be a better judgment, have better judgment with space, because look at, I didn't leave a whole lot from the answer there, right? So, how about 18 plus 2? How about 14 minus 8? And I'll write these in our assignment, so you'll see it in the assignment also. And finally, 8 minus 0, the hardest one of them all. 8 minus 0. Do you know it? Do you know it? All right. So I'm going to have these 8 problems for you. I want you also to work on your 1-minute math today. 1-minute math, all right? We're going to do our 1-minute math. See how many you can do and see if you got more than the last time, okay? Because we're always practicing math. We're always improving. So we want to practice as much as possible, right? We want to practice all the time, as much as we can. That's how we get better at things. Just like surfing. Just like surfing, Ganga, you are correct. You have to practice. Nobody's perfect when you first start, right? Well, I mean, I was pretty good. Okay, Ganga, you're the exception, though. Yeah. See, nobody knew that a gorilla could be an expert at surfing, but you've done it. But it took practice, right? Yeah, totally. A lot of practice. Just like math, right? It might be tough at first, and it starts to get a little bit easier, and you'll see that with your 1-minute math. The more you practice, the more you're going to start recognizing problems, the faster you're going to get at it, okay? All right, so we're going to do these 6 problems on your own, then do your 1-minute math, and then we'll see you later. Ganga? Yeah, Mr. T? Let's go catch some waves. All right, we'll see you guys later. We're going to go surfing.